Let me show you how we can enter and exit the download mode on the POCO F8 Pro and POCO F8 Ultra. So in order to enter the download mode, first we need to go to the recovery mode. And in this case, we're gonna restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then in here, we're gonna slide down to reboot. Once the circle disappears, you want to press and hold volume up. There we go. So now we're gonna press and hold volume up and keep holding it until you are in the recovery mode. Even if you see the POCO logo, you still want to hold volume up. There we go. Now we are in the recovery mode, and in this menu we use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu, and you want to choose connect with MI Assistant, and you confirm your choice by pressing the power button. After that, you might need to connect your phone to your computer in order to be able to access the download mode, and you might also need to use a specific dedicated Xiaomi software in order to be able to actually use the download mode. But once you are done with the download mode, if you want to exit it, you just want to press and hold the power button and just keep holding it until this image that we have on the screen disappears. So just keep holding it. There we go. After that, we can release the power button. And let's see if we're gonna go back to the recovery mode. There is a chance that you will go back to the recovery mode. Or maybe we will just go back. No. Okay, so we are in the recovery mode. And in this case, we can of course reboot our phone. So make sure that reboot is selected and confirm with the power button. Then choose reboot the system. Your phone will restart and you will go back into the normal mode. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.